Thank you very much. We'll let you go on that note. Thanks for being with us. The week is ending. It's been a week of consolidation for the index. So the good news for the bulls is that at least the lows of the week have been protected and they've not been tested also. The last 3 days we've been consolidating, but roughly above the 23,100 mark. In fact, today the close is probably going to be closer to around the 23,200 mark. So let's take a look at where the problem was, because for what it's worth, Nifty is still down 100 points. Limit on IT and banks. Infosys about 5.5% lower. It took down Wipro, Tech Mahindra, and a bunch of other IT stocks with it. HCL Tech was also lower. But the bigger problem for the market was the 1.5% slide on the bank Nifty. It started with the Axis Bank results. That stock is ending down 4.5%. But even the others, Kotak is down 2.5%. It reports numbers over the weekend. There's ICICI Bank, which is lower. There's SBI, which is lower as well. It was Reliance fighting on the other end of the spectrum. Gain is about 2.5% on Reliance. There's been some buying on commodity stocks like BPCL and Hindalco. Tata Steel also doing well. And L&T also managed some gains. So good counterweights on the other side. But overall, a range-bound week, Prashant, and a week that's going to be looking at some very interesting announcements, I guess, come Monday night.
Yes, I say always in the morning. Consequential or not, we don't know. Entertaining it will be. Right? So, starting Monday, you'll start to hear announcements, and I think it'll be consequential as well because, after all, so much has been said and by incoming President Trump that he'll have to do stuff. How he does it is the question. Will it be everything on day one, or it'll be more gradual like what we had in 2017? If it's more gradual, I think the dollar sells off. If it is all on day one, I think you're looking at maybe the dollar skyrocketing even from where we are at this point in time, which is of course negative for emerging markets, etc. So that's essentially the setup. 23,200 is where we are finally closing out. It's a wrap on this edition of Closing Bell, but don't go anywhere. Just after a quick break, our special editors roundtable coming up.